Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this awesome 7-in-1 reverse osmosis WIE water filtration system for at home, for example here on the countertop, but can also work perfectly for an office or camping, perfectly suitable for an RV because it has very low power consumption of only a little bit more than 30 watts, so we can even power it from such a super small power station, absolutely no problem. And it came exactly like that, exactly how you see it here. It was just secured with a couple of tape here for the water tank. Other than that, it came absolutely plug and play. Just take it out of the box, put it here, plug it in, fill the water tank, flush the system, and you are ready to go. This is as easy as it gets. And the system is not only very convenient, but it's also very stylish and beautiful. Watch this thing here, fits definitely pretty much everywhere perfectly. Of course, at the beginning we have to add some water, so we can open it here, grab it with this handle and then pull it out. Make sure that you're not overfilling. Maximum is 1.2 gallon. By the way, here you can also see the water filter. If you need to replace it, you can remove the whole top cover till the front, so you have easier access here, but for other than that it's not needed. And so we put the water tank back. Make sure when you're adding the water tank that you nicely align it down there, but also here on the top. It's very important, left, right and down. So I think I have it now nicely secured. And now the system starts automatically pulling in the water. So we can close that here. And so after attaching the water tank, when you plug it in for the first time, the system goes into automatic flushing mode. When it's like that, becomes absolutely quiet, nothing blinking anymore. We are ready to dispose the flushed water by pressing for 3 seconds. Of course, we can stop this process at any time to empty the bucket. Okay, and so it has stopped now automatically, and so now the system has finished flushing. We can see all the lights are steady, so we can select different volumes like 8 ounces, 12 ounces, 16 ounces, 30 ounces, choosing 8 ounces, and so we can just hit the start button and the water is pouring down now nicely. You can see in a decent speed, so you definitely don't have to wait too long for a really nice purified delicious cup of water. Okay, and it has stopped automatically, so we can take it now. Yeah, I took a sip and it's absolutely amazing. I can tell you, unfortunately I can't show you taste or smell, but it's super neutral. I can tell you, very pleasant taste, and I can guarantee I cannot smell any chlorine taste here, while our normal tap water has a lot of chlorine in it. We can also see the live TDS here, and so compared to the original tap water which I've been using, you can see huge difference, down to 26 from around 266. By the way, it's highly recommended to use already somehow clean city water. Don't use well water, that would be too much for this filter. But the question now, why is it not on 0 or at least below 10? And so here in the filter description we can see why. We have a lot of pre-filters and then the reverse osmosis, which is pretty much the king, the gold standard of the water filtration, which brings down the ppm below 10 ppm, but the water has a very unpleasant, very sour taste, and you definitely don't want to drink it. So after that we have additional filtration stages which are actually not filtering the water but adding nice minerals back into the water and also purifying additionally with UV light And so at the very end of the whole filtration, we do not only have very clean but also very pleasant smelling water. That's the huge difference compared especially to normal standard undersink reverse osmosis filtration system, which usually end just with the reverse osmosis and you end up with a very unpleasant taste. So much better here. And because a lot of people are worried about low pH value after reverse osmosis, which would mean that it could turn the water acidic, which a lot of people don't like regarding taste and also, for example, regarding reflux symptoms. I've made a test between tap water, which is originally around pH 8, which is definitely somehow alkaline, and my normal standard under the sink reverse osmosis system, which is reducing the pH below 7, here in this case 6.9, which is slightly acidic, definitely not good. But the WIE reverse osmosis water filtration system kept it on a really nice, pleasant 7.3, slightly alkaline. And by the way, here also a check on the power consumption. I've been running this water filtration system here the whole time just from this power station. You can see maximum 29.23 watts. By the way, if you're wondering why we don't have access to the filtered water tank, this is a standard with pretty much all reverse osmosis water filtration systems to prevent any contamination. The filtered water tank is a very clean environment, here even supported with the UV light. You don't have to be worried. It's absolutely normal and perfect. So it's definitely not a scam, not a trick, not at all. It's pure science. And here even wrapped in a very beautiful, easy to use, very convenient style. So the system looks really convincing to me. Super large water tank, easy to use here, some automatic settings also for flushing. Water taste is absolutely phenomenal and we only have to deal with one replacement filter. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this WIE water filtration system, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.